Instructo. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Instructo, how to profit from short visual and written tutorial content. This type of content is hugely popular in a wide variety of marketplaces and provides users with an easy and affordable way to learn new things and master new skills. How to profit from short visual and written. How to earn tutorial content. 5 ways to make direct income with tutorials, and 1 incredibly powerful way to get tons of targeted traffic with a specific type of free tutorial. You will discover how to create, sell and promote these in-demand buyer magnets. People love these, and they get massive traffic with little to no promotion needed. Instructo is perfect for publishers, content creators, bloggers, affiliate marketers, anyone who needs content. Instructo is an easy strategy that will take you from A to Z and show you how to build multiple income streams from content. And it doesn't even take a lot of writing. In a nutshell, anyone can do this regardless of age or tech skill. There's over 5 ways you can profit with this simple system, and you'll also learn how to generate traffic with a hidden method that most people don't even see in plain sight. Plus, everything you'll ever need to make this work is already provided, so you can hit the ground running fast. So if you need a plan for 2019 that's going to really lead you to the promised land, pick up a copy of Instructo while it's on the introductory special. Instructo Upgrade Offs Front-End Offer. Instructo Easy How-To Profits. PDF Guide, Video Training, Templates and more reveal how to create and profit from short visual and written how-to content. Launch price $17. Upsell number 1. Done for you. Instructo content. 20 professionally designed tutorial templates in easy-to-edit PowerPoint format. Niche research and more. $27. Upsell number 2. Publishing Path Profits. 5-module video training where I reveal how to quickly and easily turn content into multiple income streams. $97. Upsell number 3. How-to video training bundle. Learn how to set up your domain, hosting, autoresponder, buy buttons, and more in just minutes. $37. And the best part, it's by creating simple little how-to tutorials. These are in high demand, and you could be helping people achieve results that they want to accomplish while getting rewarded handsomely. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in, especially when everything is laid out for you in the Instructo course along with all the templates and cheat sheets you'll ever need? Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.